Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to play League of Legends on Linux. League of Legends has been a very popular game for years, and many Linux users have tried different ways to play it. In the past, it was possible to run League of Legends on Linux using tools like Wine, Lutris, or Proton. However, in 2025, the situation is very different. Riot Games, the developer of League of Legends, has added a new anti-cheat system called Vanguard. This system runs at the kernel level of the operating system. It is designed to detect and prevent cheating by having deep access to your computer system files and security structure. Vanguard checks for things like unauthorized drivers, background programs, or modified files that could be used for cheating. The problem is that Linux does not support this kind of kernel-level access in the same way Windows does. Vanguard requires certain permissions and system integrations that Linux cannot provide. So, for now, it is not possible to play League of Legends on Linux like before. Even if you try to install it through Wine, Lutris, or Steam Proton, the game will not launch because Vanguard cannot operate properly. Maybe in the future, Riot Games will find a way to make Vanguard work with Linux systems, but as of 2025, there is no official support or working method to play League of Legends on Linux. Thanks for watching.